Welcome to FPV Insights. I'm Lucy. Today we are talking about the legendary history of DJI. DJI is world's largest consumer drone company and currently dominates the drones market with its innovative products. So let's dive into the history of DJI. Today's drone empire was officially born in founders Wang Tao's Collier Drone Room in 2006. He has been obsessed with drone systems. While civilian drones were not popular at the time, Wang Tao has a clear goal to make a drone that was affordable and easy to fly for everyone. A year later, he moved his startup to Shenzhen. At the time when most drone was still accessible for kids by hobbyists, DJI started working on stabilization system to make drones easier to fly and accessible to a wider audience. Before they managed to realize this vision, DJI was just selling controller and operating system for hobbyists to use to build drones. However, that's all changed in 2013. That year saw the release of the DJI Phantom First, the first emergency drone to include an internal GPS system. And the Phantom series helped DJI break into the consumer drone area and establish itself. At that point in time, Wang Tao teamed up with Colin Quinn, a drone entrepreneur from Texas, and targeted the US market. The company's business began to grow, but there were still some limitations. The Phantom First had a flight time of just under 10 minutes and no integrated camera. Less than a year later, with the release of the Phantom Second, these issues were resolved. The incredible leaps DJI has made over the past few years are also reflected in their revenue. The company has grown from 19 employees and $4.2 million in revenue in 2011 to the world's first billion-dollar drone manufacturing company in 2015. That was just the beginnings, as one of the most revolutionary moments in the drone industry occurred on March 1, 2016. This was the day DJI launched the Phantom Force, which at the time that was the most advanced drone. DJI continued to push the drone industry to greater heights. DJI continues to explore innovative avenues on its own with the series of popular drones. This included the FPV drone in 2021, refining its latest first-person view. Looking back at DJI's history, what started as an idea to make inexpensive, easy-to-fly drones has now changed the entire drone market, and DJI's founder Wang Tao has become a wealthy entrepreneur worth tens of billions of dollars. But there's much more to it than that. DJI has also influenced the movies industry and changed the way we see the world today. DJI has announced its new drones, DJI Mini Pro, bring a new camera drone to hobbyist drone pilots and the videographer. Crafted to be the ultimate companions for advanced enthusiasts, the DJI Mini 4 Pro redefined the boundary of mini camera drones, setting a new benchmark for capturing and sharing exhilarating moments.